Emma Wassell's call. Roos has it. Awkward bounce for Bradley, but they've extricated it well here. That's what Claire Gallagher gets. He keeps defenders honest. Oh, Kaluna Volley cleaving through like a sledgehammer over and up to the line. Reaches just short. The tight head has had the most extraordinary 4 minutes this afternoon. Burying, scoring.
Carry back. Waits, Trailfinders, stop.
Gallagher's got one of the biggest boots in the league, and she's wellied that one up over halfway. Counter-attacking ball. Fancy Bermudez says, not today, Meg Jones, but your ends tackle sticks. Nelson in at first receiver. That means Rowland is somewhere in the backfield. That spells danger. Nelson once more. Sangapolu. Rowland onto Treader. Beautiful hands onto Westcombe Evans. Looking for the steal. Trailfinders, but they go to the short side, and it's the left Kelter who takes some stopping and will not be stopped.
Ball's not down yet.
They have had the lion's share of territory and possession, Trailfinders. A really interesting turn of events and a clash between two sides who love the ball.
Penalty advantage, Trailfinders.
Malcolm next to have a go, and now they can spin it because they're on advantage here. Out wide to White. Two Lightning players get hands on her, but it won't be enough.
Advantage.
Scrum advantage, or rather penalty advantage, and oh wow, look at the power! They go quick tap, Sangapolu Sanele. It's a day for the tight heads today. Ives Campion brought that down beautifully. Look at the width they've got. They've gone half the way across ceiling in the space of 2-3 passes, but Trailfinders wanted that ball back. Voracious defence. Cabella setting off down touchlines. Look at Sadia Cabella Gallop. She is world class.
Tackle.
Lightning tails are up. They can sense an opportunity here. Try here, and they go ahead for the first time in the match. Westcombe Evans is gone. Ponsonby into the 22. Back the other way. Montiel next. Treader clinging to the Canadians' calves. Gallagher with a little spiral chip. Jones is chasing hard. Jones will score! Burton. On through the gap. Ponsonby closing in on her. And Rowland and Nelson, but Amory's support line is gorgeous and the feet are sublime. Round the corner again they come. Lightning making their tackles but going backwards.
Advantage offside, 7.
Now they concede the penalty. So kickable
Penalty
this.
advantage, Trailfinders.
Wonder if that might be on Rachel Malcolm's mind, but not if they can leave with something a little more sizable. Heads clear out. Roos with it. Round she comes. Morales looking to get beneath that. They had just wrestled her short, but this is now with Burton, and that will probably be that. From here, it looks as though Abby Burton just backed her hat-trick score.
I agree.
You've seen the ball clearly grounded on the line. Yep. Great. Try scored. Short on the line. No, they're good. Advantage offside.
They can flex this. They can entertain if they like, but they might just take the 5. Nelson. crisp hands from Belial. Kabea cleaving through.